Okay, here we have Janet, and it's been about a year since you had your laser stem cell signaling for your knees.
Right,
And
right.
how have the knees been holding up?
My right knee is fantastic.
Okay, great.
Okay.
How many
I
percent
lost, I
better?
lost,
How many
huh?
percent better would you say that left knee is?
My left knee is like still 75% needs time. It's
Incredible.
still, I guess it was worse than my right knee, but I didn't know that. I thought they were both the same, but I guess nothing's ever both the same.
Okay, yeah.
And I lost 40 pounds, so I know that has a lot to help my knees too.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I think because you have less pain, you're able to walk more,
Oh yes,
and it
I'm
helps you
I'm
lose
able
weight.
to walk in the store without a grocery cart.
Nice. Yeah.
I'm good with all of that. I still
Okay.
have stiffness on my left knee in the morning. I still sometimes struggle with my left knee.
Okay.
And I'm not sure what to do about that except just keep doing the light stem treatments and doing my exercises, and hopefully time helps it all.
And did we ever give you some insoles to wear in your walking shoes to balance your knee?
Yes, I have those. I went and bought some new shoes. I got them at this store called Lucky Feet.
Yeah,
They have shoes
good.
that support your, and I
Orthotics.
and
Yeah,
I notice, of course I don't wear them in the house, okay? I
yeah,
go barefoot in the house,
yeah.
and I really think that's probably what I shouldn't do, is go barefoot,
Maybe
because
just get some Croc sandals, and you can fit the insoles. It'll go in the Crocs. Like
oh,
under my desk, see those white Crocs?
yes, oh
Yeah,
yeah,
they'll
okay.
fit in. So
Okay. I don't feel comfortable wearing shoes in a
you know
house.
what? Just take a break. I mean, in the current culture, we have to take
Right.
our shoes off anyways, and it gives your feet a break. And it's not like you're walking as
No.
much as you would on your daily routine. So I'll let
Right.
you go. All right. And how do you do
Okay.
on your stem cell diet? Less sugar, more healthy omega-3 fats?
I actually found this diet with Optavia
Okay.
that it was amazing. I couldn't do the keto diet. It's not something that I could handle.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could do like a
This
hybrid. Yeah.
this diet took me off sugar.
Good, good.
Okay, which I know is my culprit.
Well,
Um,
as long as you're getting the necessary
the
omega-3
nutrients.
fats,
Yes.
fish oil, fish,
Right, and I take omega
great.
supplements, because he really recommend that you take omega-6 and
Omega
things.
threes, yeah.
Yeah,
It'll help the inflammation. And how's your
yeah.
right knee doing?
Oh, my right knee is fantastic.
How many
Okay,
percent better is that
I mean,
after a
I can
year?
actually see a kneecap where
Yeah,
before I
it's
never
not as
even saw a
swollen.
kneecap. Okay, I mean, I really had, like, to me, fat knees, but I actually can see a kneecap on my right knee.
Uh,
Okay, and my left knee, I guess it's getting there,
yeah.
but and I got that CBD roll-on stuff, that you guys have. That helps me a lot. Um,
So the right
the,
knee is about how many percent better a year later?
I would say my left knee is about 75%. Okay, my right knee is about 90%.
That's
Okay,
incredible. Yeah, and that's
yeah, no,
lasting.
it is
So,
incredible, because I mean, I now can walk upstairs. I haven't tried walking down
okay.
because I still feel
Yeah, now that the pain is gone, we're going to show you some exercises to help strengthen the knee. And then
okay,
that'll take your knee progress to the next level, so you can feel
okay,
confident going up and down the stairs as well. Because when you
okay.
go down, there's more pressure. So
Yes,
we want
yeah.
more stability, and then we have this new device that'll help
Oh,
strengthen the knee muscles, give it stability. And
okay.
so yeah, the right knee we're pretty much set. The
Oh,
left
yeah.
knee we're 75% there. I would like the left knee to catch up with the right, get it to
Yes.
90%, 100%. So what we're gonna do, we have a new machine called Shock Pulse Wave, and it stimulates your stem cells to kind of wake up if they're stuck or
Okay.
stimulate more progress. So let's go
Okay.
ahead and do that. We'll do it a few times, and if that doesn't take your left knee to the next level, maybe we can just discuss doing a booster injection. You know, we'll do it as a reduced cost and surety of a patient. We just want to take it one step at a time. But for now, let's just get you your complimentary this pulse wave treatment.
Okay.
And we'll go from there, okay?
The one thing that I really have found that I can do now that I could never do before is I can stand. I never could stand.
Could you show me how you could stand now and walk? It couldn't get up from the chair.
Okay, we put the
Walk
chair
towards
back.
the door. And come on back. So before, like if you were just walking or standing, what would it feel like? Before?
I would have had to go like this.
Kind of limp away from it.
Yeah, like, you know. But now I can, no, it's, yeah, and I can stand.
Yeah.
I never could stand in the grocery store. I would just get horrified that I was going to have to stand in this line,
Yeah.
you know, and I'd be constantly picking up my leg and trying to, but I can stand. I can, yeah, I mean, I feel very secure within what I can do now. It's just that the left knee gets, after I do a lot, the left knee says, okay, you've done too much.
Yeah, I think if we strengthen it and stabilize it,
Yeah.
we can get it past the 75% percentile. But even if you were stuck at 75%, that's still incredible.
Oh no, it is incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm totally thrilled with what I've accomplished, because when I walked in here a year ago, I was looking at two new knee surgeries.
Yeah, it looks like you don't need that. Just cancel them.
Yeah. And I told people about it, and they're like, "Huh?"
Yeah.
I go, "Yeah, I know. I couldn't see myself doing that, you know."
And how young are you this year?
I turned 74.
Wow. But because the cells they're very young, their days are old from umbilical cord tissue. Doesn't matter how old you are. So yeah.
Yeah.
All right, great. Well, let's take it to the next level and just go out and get your treatment, and we'll revisit this later, okay?
Okay. All right, great. Thank you,
Take
Dr.
care. Glad it worked.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye.